Right now we are doing a product test for HDMI 4x4 matrix switch made by HPC. This is our main unit. Our source is one PS3 player, one Sony Blu-ray disc player, one Samsung Blu-ray disc player, and one Philips Blu-ray disc player. The HDMI signal is output to 4 ASUS monitors. Now we will switch our source by pressing the buttons on the front panel. Now from left to right, our TV display is playing source 2 to source 1. Now we will demonstrate how to control the system through remote control. As you can see, now TV 1 is displaying source 3. At last, we will demonstrate how to control our system through RS-232. Our command code is 0108, which states for monitor 1, display source 4. This is our system for HDMI 4x4 matrix switch. Thank you very much.